Hi! In front of me is Vivo V21e, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Firstly, go into Settings and scroll all the way down right away to access System. Then choose Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Lastly, click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are over here. To manage them, just click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!